Every photo tells a story. The infectious enthusiasm of the zealous Baratis. A stolen moment of coy smiles shared by the couple. The thousand emotions in a single teardrop during the bidai. Surely, there is no story so rich, so moving, so colorful as the Indian wedding. Wedding photographers love telling a story in style, but how to present that platter of profound memories in a way that a couple would cherish forever. How to let your beautiful, painstakingly clicked photos talk for themselves. Presenting a photographer's godsend. Photo Orange, close to your heart. Photo Orange sprang to life in 2010 under the auspices of Shri Printwell Offset Private Limited, a renowned print house with printing facilities in Ahmedabad's commercial and packaging set since 1992. Adopting the same philosophies of quality, innovation and customer satisfaction from the parent company Printwell Offset, Photo Orange has emerged today as the numero uno in new age printing techniques. This is the place where art turns digital. Watch how.
Photography is not just my profession but also a passion. I recommend Photo Orange photo books to my clients depending on their needs.
This is Photo Range. This is the way forward and I definitely recommend you take it up.
Creative photography is my passion. I recommend all my old clients to work with Photo Orange because they deliver quality.
They say there's 4 steps to making a marriage: affection, communication, trust, and appreciation. Well, there are 4 steps to the making of a photo book too: designing, printing, processing, and packaging. Let's start with designing. Photo Orange offers you professional and speedy photo book designing facility to create your own exclusive designs, faster photo uploading tools. Besides, our Orange Peak software lets you share your personalized e-photo book with your friends and family anywhere in the world. The next step is printing. State-of-the-art printing facility with calibration on daily basis as per ISO standards. First digital printing machine in Gujarat. Highest sheet printing capacity in Gujarat, which enables faster turnaround. Special acid-free paper for photo books for extra fine quality and long-lasting substrates. Printing under strict supervision of printing experts for precise quality and color contrasts. Industry's best transparent sheets with amazing class and finish. These are few reasons why you would be wise to recommend Photo Orange photo books to your clients. Say yes to CMYK.
There are basic 2 printing technology. One is RGB printing, other is CMYK printing. We at Photo Orange prefer CMYK printing. In fact, we are one of the very few companies in the country who offer this technology.
After printing comes post-print processing. Photo Orange photo books pass through a series of post-printing processes that make them unsurpassable in quality. Like for instance, binding. We use advanced binding techniques that provide exceptional strength and durability. Finally, the packaging. Photo Orange gives you 2 options: a gorgeous leather bag or an elegant wooden box for ensuring that your photo book stays young and beautiful forever. What's more, you can customize them if you want. They say all weddings are similar, but every marriage is different. And so is every photo book from Photo Orange.
I'm a wedding photographer and trying to leave my mark on the wedding scape. I'm very picky and choosy. I never settle for anything but the best. Photo Orange gives you so many different options to choose from, be it paper textures, cover pads, colors and sizes. I can choose from a wide range of premium quality papers and an extravaganza of cover pads to offer my clients.
Free home delivery. When you order a shipment from Photo Orange, it gets delivered at your doorstep. No matter where you stay in India. Plus, you can order goodies. Yes, impress your customers with leather bag or wooden box, playing cards, calendars and many books with best compliments from Photo Orange.
I am a photographer specializing in Indian weddings. I love experimenting with light and colors. My style is more inclined towards capturing the essence of the moment rather than the ritual. Photo Orange has this promise of great quality and added value, which is what I would like to offer to my customers.
When you don't want to compromise on your camera or on your shot, then why compromise on the photo book? They say, marriage is a promise that lasts for a lifetime. So do our photo books. Give your clients the ultimate Photo Orange experience. If you are a wedding photographer obsessed with quality, your search ends at Photo Orange. Reflect the beauty of your photos with our premium quality photo books. Go on and become storytellers.